Hello, my name is Donald Page from Seamless CRM, and today I want to talk about our Seamless Opportunities reporting extension, in this case for the Lite version. Now, when you license the extension, it brings into the menu our Seamless Opportunities reporting option. Now, in here, you can choose a list of fields that you wish to export to Excel from the opportunity area, the contact area, from the company area as well, if you had chose to use the company fields, as well as the opportunity product fields. Now, Standard ACT doesn't allow you to pull data out through their export to Excel function from the product lines. All you get to see is what I call the header information. In other words, the information from the main section of the opportunity. So all of the fields that you create there, but not from the fields in the product section. So with us, you can do that. You can add your fields, and you can even move them about if you want to. If you just want to just drag them up, it's entirely up to you how you want to do that. So once you've done that and you've saved it, what you then have is the ability to choose from your list of maybe hundreds or thousands of opportunities. You can filter them down using the standard filtering mechanisms, or just selecting the ones you want individually and right-clicking and doing a lookup selected. But once you've done that, you then click on the Opportunity Reporting button. It asks you where you want to save the opportunity to. Sorry, the export to the Excel to, and it will remember where that is. You can choose your own location. Now, that is done, the settings are done centrally, but individual users who have Seamless Opportunities can obviously run that spreadsheet report whenever they want. So it will save it, and then it will open the Excel for you, and it'll bring it up. Now, what you'll notice is the status. It's either a 1 or a 0, i.e. open or closed, or if it's closed and lost, then it's a 2. If it's inactive, it's a 3. So it's a numeric thing. The stage that it's at, obviously that's pertaining to the process that you have set up in your ACT database. And then we're pulling information now from here, from the contact record. So again, you can pull any field that you've got in the contact entity and extract it along with opportunity information. So not only did we have opportunity information here, but we've also got the information here, so the estimated close date, etc. And then the line items, the product line items for each of the opportunities. Now you'll notice with this one, we've actually got 3 products in the opportunity, in the quote, and you can see exactly what those are. So the beauty of this now is it's been exported to Excel, and then you can do whatever reporting you want to on it, whether it's pivot tables or VLOOKUPs or whatever it happens to be. You can do all of that. If you need help with that, we're more than happy to assist to get you going. So that essentially is how the reporting system works. I'm Donald Page. Thank you for watching.